We are at Saap cave in Thailand.
The entrance ticket is 100 baht per person for foreigners.
And for the helmet and light they take 20 baht. And if you are coming by motorbike, to get the motorbike till the entrance of the cave, you will have to pay 20 baht extra. And this is the main cave, the Saap cave, which is 40 meters. And followed by this cave, there are small caves as well. So the entrance and the exit
Of this cave are same. The name of this cave is a Rainbow Cave. Everything is so dark over here.
Yeah, cave is pretty clean. Some of the part of this cave has the lights turned on. I think you can get your own headlamp as well.
Path over here is slippery, so be careful.
The formations of these rocks are so beautiful.
Yeah, and
I never thought that I will be a fan of caves. But since the time I explored Vietnam caves, and now I have become a fan of caves.
yes,
And I want to do more caves. This is so pretty. There are bats as well.
yep,
I can hear them out.
yeah,
But I can't spot them. I think they are in the darkest area.
yeah.
Because of this formation, this cave is known as Rainbow Cave as well.
These caves are so deep. I don't think I can crawl through these caves. Just an adventure like Lara Croft or Indiana Jones. So this is Chapel Cave. one Buddha statue over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Emerald Cave.
The caves are clean here, but there are bats.
Yeah, there are bats over here, and this cave is also small.
Yeah. Basically, all these caves are tiny. They are not so big, but they are beautiful and worth
Yes.
visiting
They are beautiful.
because their formations are extremely beautiful.
Yeah. Now I wanted to climb this. It's called mountain exit. Up. Okay. So, mountain exit. I'm going down and so exhausted. The climb was a little bit steep.
So, which cave did you like the most?
So I like Rainbow Cave.
Okay.
That was awesome.
Yes, it had this striking beauty and it was like a painting altogether. The stalagmites was so stunning.
Yes.
Each and every cave has its stalagmites and stalactile formations,
Yes.
which enhances their beauty actually.
We went to that Emerald Cave.
Emerald Cave.
Yeah. Climbing that exit, mountain exit. I like that one.
Yes, it's quite beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah.
And there are no handrails or anything, but then the steps are very small, so you don't have to climb too much.
Yes.
And there are total 4 caves. You will be able to complete all 4 caves in like 15 to 30 minutes. If you are
Yes.
spending more time inside, then it will take 30 minutes, or else in 15 minutes you will be able
Yeah.
to do the whole.
15-20 minutes is done.
Yes. So coming here through the path is
Awesome.
extremely beautiful.
Yeah, I love this path. My
Yes,
God.
the riding experience is
Right.
more
More thrilling
than
and
the destination.
The view and mountain view and sunlight.
And these intricate details and formations inside the cave have happened throughout the century, and you can actually look at it and know that there is some story going on inside
Yes,
that.
yes.
It was not a larger than life type of experience, but it was
It's a beautiful experience,
Yeah.
and everyone should admire the nature and
natural
beauty.
yeah, right. So we are heading off, and again we are going to enjoy path leading to Chiang Mai now.
Yes.
We thank you for sharing this day with us in a hope to aspire your next vacation. We would like to take a leave today.
If you love this video, give us a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and don't miss any vlog of Travel with Ed and Ross.
Bye.
Bye.